Ever felt like you are just not the first choice when it comes to romance? It is tough, isn't it? Seeing someone you like being more interested in someone else. But hey, it doesn't have to be that way. Today, we are going to chat about turning those odds in your favor and transforming yourself from just another option into her top pick. By the end of this video, you will discover how to be the one she is drawn to despite having other options. Number 12. Avoid the not enough mindset. If you are stuck in a scarcity mindset, your view of the world is limited. You see your options as minimal and any interest from a woman as a rare treasure. This mindset makes you overly cautious and filters everything you say, worried about making a wrong move. But this scarcity mentality is a trap. It stops you from connecting with the women you truly desire. Remember, we have all been there, pining over that first high school crush. But to move forward, you need to break free from this limiting belief. Number 11. Remember, you have always got options. When you embrace an abundance mindset, you see a world brimming with possibilities. If things don't work out with one woman, it is not the end. There are countless others out there. This perspective allows you to interact with women freely and confidently. If one isn't captivated by you, you are unfazed. You simply move on, free from the fear of loss. Worried about competing for her attention? Don't be. When you realize there is not just one special person but many out there, you won't stress over one. If you are not feeling this confident yet, it is okay. Just know where you stand and remember, there are plenty of chances out there waiting for you. Number 10. Dodge the romance trap that pushes her away. Falling into the trap of grand romantic gestures is easy. You might think that a bold move will win her over, but attraction is more about how you make her feel, not the size of your gesture. Many men, unable to charm with their personality, resort to dramatic acts to gain an edge. But here's the truth. You are probably not the first to shower her with gifts or flowers, and these overtures are all too common for attractive, sought-after women. When you are new to dating, it is easy to feel like you fall for someone new every other day, which leads to these romantic blunders. Remember, genuine connection beats grand gestures every time. Number 9. Let your worth shine naturally. When trying to win a girl over another guy, your worth should be self-evident. Maybe at a party, she is all about someone else, or there is a guy in your circle she seems to prefer. It is challenging, but there are ways to tilt the balance in your favor. Understand this. You can't force someone to fall for you, but you can certainly improve your chances. The dating world is competitive. Women weigh their options and assess men based on various factors. To stand out, honestly compare yourself with others. Like choosing between cars, would you opt for a rusty old model or a sleek, well-maintained one? Acknowledge your competition. Everyone is vying for attention in this genetic battle. Understand your rivals, their fears, weaknesses, and strengths. If you spot a vulnerability, use it to your advantage, subtly. Display your worth. Let your appearance, financial stability, and social status speak for themselves. You don't need to boast, just ensure these aspects of your life are visible and speak volumes about your value. Number 8. Know and manage your strong emotions. Noticing that rush of emotion when you are really into someone. It is natural, but it can push her away if it turns into obsession or neediness. Relying on a woman for your happiness makes you appear needy, like a child seeking validation. This dependence is a turnoff. And when it comes to jealousy, it is a sign of fear, a fear of loss that only serves to drive women away. Instead, strive to be self-sufficient in your happiness. When you are competing for attention, the one who is less invested, who can generate his own joy independently, usually wins. If you wonder why? Well, because positive vibes are infectious, unlike the anxiety and negativity that come with neediness and jealousy. These emotions stem from a scarcity mindset, so work on fostering an abundance mindset instead. Number 7. Prove you are a safe haven for her. Attraction is complex. Sure, a strong, confident man might be appealing, but what is crucial is making a woman feel safe and secure. If you come across as threatening or too forward, she will likely back away. But if you exude certainty, command respect, and show through your actions that you are trustworthy, you are on the right path. Ensure she feels comfortable around you. Be a gentleman, use humor wisely, respect personal boundaries, and face challenges head-on. Emotional maturity is key. Avoid mind games and inconsistent behavior. When a woman feels truly safe with you, she is more likely to open up and connect on a deeper level than other men. Number 6. Build a foundation of trust. Remember, she is sizing you up against the competition. It is subtle, but it is happening. Winning her over means being just that bit better. More considerate, more reliable, and a tad funnier. Trust might not be the headline in a casual fling, but in something deeper, it is crucial. She is vetting you and wondering if you are worth the emotional investment. Trust is what allows a relationship to deepen and flourish. It is what makes her comfortable being vulnerable with you. So, how do you become that trustworthy guy? Never lie, always keep your promises, and be consistently reliable. That is how you lay a solid foundation of trust. Number 5. Live your life fully. When you are after someone's heart, it is easy to lose yourself in trying to please them. But losing sight of your own life devalues your worth in their eyes. She is looking for a partner who has his own exciting, fulfilling life, not someone whose world revolves solely around her. Imagine how unimpressive it is to hear someone has been lounging around, waiting for a call, compared to someone who is out there climbing mountains or enjoying live sports. So immerse yourself in your passions and strive to be the best version of yourself. This way, even if things don't pan out with her, you are still a better, more well-rounded individual. Number 4. Act confident, like you are already desired. Many guys have a distorted view of attraction, which is influenced by misleading movie romances. They think grand gestures and declaring someone as their one and only will win hearts. But reality begs to differ. What really attracts is the confidence and ease that comes from knowing you're desired, from having options. This doesn't mean being arrogant or dismissive. It means being comfortable in your own skin, not desperate for validation. This confidence, this sense that you're not overly invested from the get-go, is incredibly attractive. It is about being happy in your own company and with your own life that makes you a magnet for genuine mutual attraction. Number 3. Be open about your feelings. It is simple. If you don't show your interest, she will never know. Being too reserved or expecting her to make all the moves just doesn't work. It is all too common to hear after it is too late that she was once interested but moved on because she didn't think you felt the same way. Don't let shyness or fear of rejection hold you back. Be bold and express your interest. It is better to take the chance than to wonder, what if? Number 2. Give her space. It seems counterintuitive, but giving her space is a powerful move. Constantly messaging her or being around all the time doesn't give her the chance to miss you or to really think about her feelings. Step back a bit. Let her experience what her world feels like without you in it. This break can intensify the connection and make her realize your value. It is not about playing games. It is about giving both of you the space to understand your feelings genuinely. Number 1. Let her pursue you. Make yourself the prize. If you are too eager to be in a relationship, it can come across as desperation, and that is not attractive. Instead, maintain your sense of worth. Show that you have options and that you are not ready to jump into a relationship without real consideration. This doesn't mean playing games or leading her on. It is about being honest with your intentions and allowing her the space to chase you a bit. This dynamic makes the connection more exciting and rewarding for both of you, and it makes her feel that she's genuinely earned your commitment when it happens. Conclusion. Understanding someone's heart, especially a woman's, is like learning a beautiful but complex song. It is all about hitting the right notes with your attitude and style. Keep tuning into yourself, keep adapting, and most importantly, keep it real. Your genuine self is your true charm. So go out there, be your best self, and let your uniqueness do the talking. She is waiting to see someone just like you shine. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.